An Uber driver picked up a passenger on a Tuesday night. He was working his second shift that week, saving every dollar for his daughter's wedding. As they drove through the city, something about the man's voice felt familiar. Then it hit him. This was his former business partner, the one who had stolen $20,000 from him 5 years ago, the one who destroyed his business and forced him to lose his house. The passenger didn't recognize him at first, but when he did, his face went pale. He braced himself for anger, for confrontation, maybe worse. Instead, the driver simply completed the ride, professional, respectful, dignified. The next morning, his phone rang. It was the passenger, confessing everything, offering to repay the debt with interest from his now successful company. But he offered something else too, a partnership opportunity. Today, they run a thriving business together. The driver learned something powerful that night. Forgiveness doesn't make you weak. It makes you free to receive what revenge would have destroyed. One choice changed 2 lives forever.